Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can transfer crypto from your Binance account to your friend's Binance account. For that, first you need to open the Binance exchange, then you need to click on the mode here. Then you have to click on pair here again. You have to click on send. After clicking on send, you will see an interface like this. If you input data here with email or phone number, if you want to transfer, you need to provide your friend's phone number or email here. Then click on continue. And if you want to transfer using Binance ID, first select Binance ID. Then provide your friend's Binance ID here. After giving the Binance ID here, you have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, you have to confirm by clicking on the top. Then you will see an interface like this. Select the coin you want to transfer by clicking on it. Here I am selecting USDC. I will transfer, so I will select USDC here. Then you have to click here and enter the amount, whatever amount you want to transfer. I will enter an amount here. Then you have to click on confirm here. After clicking on confirm, you will have to click on confirm here again. Then you will see an interface like this. Then you need to click on confirm here. After that, you can confirm using the Binance passkey or Google code. This is how you can transfer crypto from your Binance account to your friend's Binance account. If you like our video, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.